Use my code GURU while making any purchase on Cublelo to get 50 rupees off on your total purchase. Hey guys, it's Cubing here, and in this video I am going to teach you U-shape COLL. Let's start with the first case in which we get these two colors are matching. So we have to focus on these four colors. So in this case we got these two color matching. So I consider this as a left side diagonal because it starts from left side. So you have to solve like normal algo you use for this case. First remove that 1/2/3 block on upper side, then do D move, then remove this F12 pair to opposite side and do RD dash and insert this F12 pair. In next case we got these two colors are matching. I consider this as the right side diagonal and we have to solve like previous algo, just its mirror. So we can use lefty algo, but lefty algo is little bit difficult, so we are using this algo from back side. So just remove that block 1/2/3 block on upper side, do D dash move and remove that F12 pair to opposite side again, and again do R dash D move and insert this F12 pair and your corner will be solved. In next case we got these two colors are matching. I consider this as the right side bar, so we got only these two colors are matching. So hold this case like this and use soon case from back side and convert R of ending into R2 and use soon from front side and your corners will be solved. In next case we got two vertical bar. These two colors are matching and these two colors are matching. So we have to hold this case like this and you can use R dash and Y pump, or if you know BLD then you can shoot at Q and your corners will be solved. In next case we got diagonal colors are matching. These two colors and these two colors are matching. So hold this case like this and remove this F12 pair and insert at right slot and then push like this U and remove this F12 pair and place at this position and do one reverse sexy move and insert F12 pair and your corner will be solved. In last case we got only these two colors are matching, so I consider this as a left side bar. For this case I will teach you from this algo. So this case and this case are pretty similar, just little bit changes in algo. So we got only these two colors are matching and these two colors are not matching. This is a pie shape case. So we are removing that 1/2/3 block on upper side and doing D dash move and breaking this F12 pair and again undo that D dash move, and after doing undo the D dash move we are pairing up this F12 pair and placing on left side and then inserting it. We are using same algo for this case too. Just hold this case like this and do same algo. Just at the end we are placing this F12 pair at left side. So instead of placing left we are directly inserting that F12 pair and our corner will be solved. So if you know this case then you can solve this one easily. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.